Hi, my name is Lucia and I'll do a quick mango haul. This is the box here, so let's get started. I ordered just a few things. I think I got really good deals. I just got a few things that I thought that were nice. Let's start off with these silver pants. I already thought that this top would go good with them because it has like silvery details. I think that they look really nice. These are amazing. I really hope that they're going to fit me good. They are a size 36. These are the pants up close. I really like them. They seem to be of great quality. I like the inside of them. Fabric up close. I have to say that I absolutely love these pants. I love the fit of them, the style of them. I really love that they are straight leg. They fit really good. And I think they're very cool. Yeah, I really like these pants. Then we have a simple top. I liked the color online. I feel the color is already different when I took it out of the packaging. I didn't like it in the packaging, but now that I opened it, wow. Top I got in a size extra small. I didn't want it to be big on me. I wanted it to be more body fitting. Absolutely love this top. Great purchase. Fits perfectly. Love the color, love the fit of it, and it actually goes great with these pants. Next we have this beautiful skirt. I really love the pattern and I thought it would be great for spring. I love it. It's going to be great for work. Skirt I got in size extra small. I love that it's bigger to the bottom. I don't know what's the cut called, A cut maybe? I'm not sure, but I really like it. It seems great quality. It does have a lining. Material is 100% cotton. I got it in a size extra small. Mango stuff tends to be bigger, so for the stuff that I have a feeling I always go with a smaller size. I'll definitely wear it to work this week. This skirt is amazing and so cute. I love it a lot. It's so beautiful and fun. I love the pattern, the material. It's very flowy and fun. I really like it. So beautiful. Definitely can't wait to wear it. Finally, we have this dress. I really love the color. I'm not sure about the dress in total. I'll see when I put it on. The dress up close. It is really nice quality and the color is amazing. It's like this cobalt. I don't know how to pronounce it. Blue. Material is 100% viscose, so it is amazing quality. I'm hoping that I'm going to like it on. And for the final we have this dress. I really like it. The color looks really nice. I like that it ties around the waist, which accentuates your waist. I don't think I have anything in this color. And this is the length. It's open on the sides.